What is going on, everybody? Landon here from Curtis Outdoors, and today we are back at the creek to do some multi-species fishing. Let's go. There we go. There's a fish. Feels big. Oh, it's a nice chub. All right, there's our first fish of the day. A really nice sized creek chub. That's pretty cool. Really nice sized chub right there. See you later, buddy. Oh, there we go. It's another fish. Another little chub. See you later. Another fish. It's a little green sunfish. That's pretty cool. Not a very big one, but it's a pretty cool catch. Oh, there's a fish. Feels big. Oh, it's a nice sized green sunfish. There we go. There's another fish, a really nice sized sunfish. Awesome. There's a really nice sized green sunfish. See you later, buddy. There's a fish. Oh, it's a nice one. Another nice little green sunfish. Oh, that was so cool. As soon as it hit the water, that fish was on. Looks like a new species too. Little fall fish. Awesome. See you later. There's a fish. It feels big. Oh, it's huge. Whoa. All right, let's get him up here. Look at that. I'm not sure what kind of sunfish that is. There's a nice sized sunfish right there. I'm not sure what kind of sunfish it is. It's pretty cool though. See you later. There we go. There's a fish. Oh, there we go. Little green sunfish on a wacky rig. See you later, buddy. There's a fish. Let's see what this is. Oh, no way, it's a perch. No way, guys, I just got a little yellow perch right here. Got him on this little grub right here. That is so cool. I don't catch many perch here. There's a nice little yellow perch right there. We don't catch very many of these fish here, so it's pretty cool. See you later, buddy. I got that last perch on this grub right over here with the chartreuse tail. There's a fish. Cast right after that last perch. It's a little green sunfish on the little grub. See you later, buddy. There we go. There's a fish. Another little sunfish on the grub. There we go. Let's see what this is. Oh, no way, it's a crappie. What in the world, guys? I've never caught a crappie here. And I just got him on the little grub. I've never caught a crappie out of this creek. I'm not sure if this is a white crappie or a black crappie. You guys let me know, but that is so cool. All right, guys, I've never caught a crappie out of this creek. That is so cool. All right, let's let him go. See you later, buddy. This little grub right here is catching us so many different species. I didn't even know that there were crappie in here until today. There's a fish. Feels decent. Looks like a little green sunfish. There we go. There's a fish. Another little green sunfish. This guy fought pretty hard. There's a fish. Another little green sunfish. These guys put up a really good fight for their size. There we go. Another little sunfish. There we go. That was so cool. I was just getting ready to reel in, and this really nice sized green sunfish bit. That's so cool. See you later, buddy. Well, anyways, that'll pretty much wrap it up for today's video fishing this creek right over here. We got tons of different species, including a surprise perch and a surprise crappie. I didn't even know crappie were in here until today, so that's pretty cool, and I'll see you all in the next video.